Hi class. Today we're going to be modeling this part. We can choose to model the cylindrical features first by doing a revolve here, or we can model these flat features up here first. I think I'm going to start with this piece, which should be on the top plane. Top plane, sketch. Oh, I'm going to assume millimeters for this part. You can choose to do the other one, doesn't really matter in this case. And just work your way around. I usually like to rough out the general shape first, and then come around and start adding relations and geometry. One thing I like to do is, if I know that this, like for example, this is 9, and I know that this is also 9, right there when I create the dimension, I'll just constrain both of them to be equal. That way you're less likely to forget to do it later. 9. Yeah, right, like same with these two fillets. These are the two that are 9. Something like that, right? And I'll just work my way around. What? The 74 dimension is, or I guess this radius is redundant, or the 74 is redundant. If you have the, because 65 plus 9 is 74, so you don't need to define that 74. In order to measure an angle, you need two lines. So I've created a construction line here. That's 5 degrees, right? Yeah, I've created a construction line here, just so I have a reference line to compare to. Oh shoot. You could also do it with any line. Like you don't need to create these ones specifically, but I'm just doing it how the drawing has it. Sure, when you create dimensions for features like this, that you are specific with how you place it, right? So see, so like that's 19.62. It's parallel with the feature, but that's 19.55. It's a horizontal distance between the two endpoints. Our drawing has it sketched like this, so I'll match that. All right, there we go. So we can choose to do the pockets all in this same sketch, which usually doing all of your geometry in one sketch is the better choice, just because if you need to come back and edit it, it's all there. But in this case, I'm going to separate it out into different features. Chosen to delete that just so that I have one feature to extrude. Find. There we go. Awesome. Next I guess I'll do that round feature next. I'm just going to do something a little fancy here. Bear with me. I'm going to create a reference axis while I'm here. It's a quick thing to do. But then that saves me a little bit of time because I don't need to continue creating center lines. What? Oh. Okay, I don't know what I clicked on before. I'll revolve boss this. Wait a second. Oh no. That's not right. Oh, I see the mistake. Oh. Okay, forget what I said about that reference axis. I still have to make a center line because it's kind of the only way to create diameter measurements like this. Okay, that's better. Now I'll do the 4 in the center. 31, 28, 5, all the way through. Oh, shit. There we go. And this will be a revolve cut now. Oops, not an extrude cut, a revolve cut. Awesome. Alright, I guess we'll tackle this pocket next. We have a tool here we can use. Since a lot of these dimensions are 4 offset from this outer profile, we'll use that. 4, right? And we'll have to trim away some of the things that we don't want. And add a few more things that we do want. Sometimes when you use this tool, it'll create a tangent arc on the first connection between the lines, but it won't add the relation on the second one. So, see, you got to be careful with that. And then just manually add the relation yourself. I think are 9. Yeah, 9. Gonna make sure the center points are coincident or merged. And there's an arc here like this. which is co-radial. Nice. Should connect here. So the option is, do we add the fillets in now, or now is in part of the sketch, or do we add them as a feature? Either way is probably fine. These should be symmetric. Oh, that shouldn't be there, because this needs to be down here somewhere. Right, this fillet is not here either. Where does this go? I'm going to put this here. Okay, now we're going to have to do some serious power trimming. I like to save all the trimming till the end, because then it's just faster. Sometimes it can be a little confusing what you're supposed to trim and what you're supposed to leave behind. But don't worry, if you make a mistake, you can... Whoops. Okay, let me clean this up a little bit. I deleted that relation, unfortunately, but we'll make do. Got a workaround. We'll just make these vertical and horizontal respectively. So yeah, you can easily come in here and go like fillet. Oh, cannot select chain. There, fillet. Oh, I thought that worked. Okay, whatever. Oh, wait, there's no thing. There's not even this line here. So let's delete that and extend the. Oh, you can't extend. Yes, you can't extend to nothing. There needs to be something there to intersect it. Something being a sketch entity. So I'm going to convert the end, that edge there, and now I can, yeah, extend to there, and just trim up the rest. That also closes off the contour, right? But yeah, I'm not going to add the fillets in. Now I'm going to do the fillets as a separate feature. Oops. 8.5. That right? Yeah. What did I say? I was going to do the fillets, right? 1, 2, 3. It's a little confusing to figure out which edges. You can also click through edges, but sometimes it's harder. Remember, if you don't see anything happen here for a fillet, it might be because the radius is too big. There, radius of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, we just have to do this linear pattern, circular pattern. I'm gonna roll back the fillet. It's not gonna affect anything, but it's just good practice to have your fillet at the end. That actually didn't end up being very useful, did it? Okay. Looks a little off. 20, 6, 15. Oh, what? Uh-oh. What did we do wrong here? Oh, I see. This point. The center of the arc should not. It's out here somewhere. 35. Oh. Okay, I'm not sure where that relation is. I'm just gonna delete it. Wait, what? Did I draw something wrong? Let's check this one. That's 50 across. And this is 20 from the center. Wait. Okay, diameter of 50. Diameter of 28. Oh, I see. Oops. I read the drawing wrong. This is not a diameter. It's from here to here. That's a bit confusing. But we figured it out. Okay, and now this point is way off here in space somewhere. Great. Sorry about that. That was... Yo, this CAD stuff is hard, guys. All we could do is try our best. So to do a circular feature pattern, you need some kind of cylinder. Oh, you know what? Just so that that axis isn't totally useless, I'll click the axes there. 60, 18. Cool. And there's our part. This would be a good time to, oh wait, there's our part. This would be a good time to double check all the dimensions. I'm not going to do that because in case I made a mistake, I expect you to catch it, right? Maybe I'll do a quick check. Evaluate, measure, here to here, 0.5. Yeah, 5. Yeah, here, 0.9, 9. The area of this pocket is 1067. While this one is 784. And the mass of the part, 51.987 grams. Should have something similar to that. Alright, thanks class.